Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Get me to 2,000 subscribers and I will really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, and also you can share my videos. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 2 eggs, salt, 1 cup of baking flour, and black pepper. Let's get to the next step. I'm going to whisk my eggs using a fork. My whisked egg is ready. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and then I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, then I mix everything nicely. I'll set it aside. In this step, I'm going to add cooking oil in my cooking pot. Then I'll add my egg. After adding my egg in the frying pan, I'm going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I turn. It's ready. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. In this step, I'm going to cut it into pieces. So after cutting them out, let's get to the next step. Next, I'm going to take my flour and add a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Then I'll mix everything nicely together. Then I'll divide this flour into 2 portions. In this one, I'm going to add some water to make a paste. The paste is ready. So I'm going to dip each piece. like that. Then I dust using the other flour. Then I set it aside. And remember, you can use any spice of your choice. You don't have to use black pepper. Me, I just love black pepper. So you repeat the same process to the others. After dusting my eggs with baking flour, this is how they look. I'm going to deep fry them. Cooking oil is ready. I'm going to dip them. I'll start turning. I'll let it cook until it turns brown and crunchy. You can see they are browning. And they are ready. I'm going to remove them. You can see how crunchy it looks. It's very yummy, very delicious. You should try it out and let me know how it will turn out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.